All right, y'all, I'm getting ready to lower the camper. Hopefully damn camera won't fall over on this tripod again, and we'll see how things go. um, let's give it a shot, see what happens. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me up here, so we'll just lower it, see what happens. Okay, I think that worked. All right. Now, that worked. Okay, it stayed up this time. Didn't fall. All right. Let's see about taking a little look around the camper itself. Set up on the old truck. And pardon me, I'm putting the tripod down. I'm not a professional videographer. I really don't know what I'm doing. I just got a, basically you got a dummy using a smartphone. I don't have a computer. I don't have anything else. Everything that I do, I got a little editing app for the smartphone. And that's about it. But yeah, there she is on the truck. which, by the way, my niece painted for me. And I don't know if this will pick it up. Oh, it won't. I can't get in there with the camera. But there's, she drew a picture of 3 little kids with their birthdays on them. And those are my 3 grandsons. Maybe I'll get to show it to you some other time. But anyway, that's it right now. I'm getting ready to hit the road, go home. The wife is at work, so I know I can still get in the house, so we're good. And if I get a chance and I can remember to, on the way out there's a low-hanging branch I was talking about in an earlier video, that if this camper did not raise up and down like it does, I never would have got out here. Because as it is, I really shouldn't call it a branch. The limb was just scraping the top of this roof. So if it was up any higher, I wouldn't have been able to get through. I wouldn't have got around it, or it would have done some damage to a regular slide-in camper, anything taller than what this is. All right, y'all, have a good day. I'm gonna head home and try to edit a few of these videos that I made while I was up here together, and then upload them. The one that I made yesterday about the camper, which was on Saturday, May 1st. Today is Sunday, May 2nd. It took me 10 hours to upload a 7-minute video. So I'm not doing that up here again. I'll wait till I get home. All right, y'all, be safe. Thank you for watching. And yes, I keep thanking all my subscribers. I can't believe I have 147 people that actually subscribed, and I appreciate y'all doing that. Yeah, and please leave a comment. Let me know if you got any questions, if you want to see anything in particular about the camper, about the cast iron wall, about cast iron, about the truck. Eventually, yeah, I'm taking the engine out of this truck and I'm putting a stroker kit in it and then putting the engine back in. I'm going to try and video most of that. But let me know if there's anything you'd like to see or know. And I will be making another video that kind of explains what this whole channel is about, which is nothing great, big, earth-shattering or moving, but just the reason why I'm doing these. But anyway, thank you all. Thank you very, very much for watching. And y'all take care.